Pretty good day today. Started off a little bit slow. I wasn't fully up there in qualifying, but I got myself a good enough gate pick for the heat race, and I got a good start and maintained my position. And my YZF got me out to three good starts for the main. Is the Triple Crown format. I just stayed upright really, so good starts and stayed upright, and it was enough consistency to get me out to the win, which I'm really happy about.
So we just wrapped up here at Geelong, back in the stadium, man. It was pretty cool. Really cool to be in front of a crowd like that. First moto didn't start out too well. It was my bad. I went inside gate and I just shouldn't have done that. And it cost me. I finished 11th in that moto, and then to go take the win in the second one and get second in the last one, it was good. Very lucky to get on the podium tonight, and points were close. So finished third here tonight, and we'll move into Adelaide and come out swinging there.
Wrap up here at Geelong for round 3 of the Oz Supercross Championship. Not a bad day, started off a bit slow in qualifying, but managed to get into the main, 14th overall. Not the best starts, but charged all the way to the end, so we'll keep working into Adelaide.